Welcome to our guide on how to apply vendor credits to an invoice in Docyt. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docyt account. Click on Expense Management in the top header menu. From the drop-down, opt for Accounts Payable. Then tap Invoice Queue to view all your invoices and vendor credits. Identify the invoice, ensuring it is in the Needs Approval or Ready to Pay status. Click on the amount displayed on the right side of the invoice you want to work with. On the drop-down menu to the right of the transaction, click Mark as Paid. Then, pick Vendor Credit from the list. Select one or more invoices and vendor credits. The payment amount should equate to $0. Press Continue. Provide the anticipated payment date for tracking purposes. Click Mark as Paid. The invoice and credit will now appear in the Paid tab of the invoice queue. And there you have it. You have now learned how to apply vendor credits to an invoice in Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.